Everyone, I'm audible. Sorry for the delay, 2 minutes delay. I am here. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay, let me just show you that I'm just working on the chat. This one Firebase chat, or I'm just getting some errors. I'm just like figuring out how we can solve it, and I just solved it. Like I just need to fetch the data. Like okay, so that's cool then. Let's start. I'm gonna just go to the map project. Let me just check the audio and everything is fine or not. So here we go. Here we are. I'm just checking my YouTube channel. Open the YouTube. Open here. Let's see, is that the coding bus? Okay, can I see myself live? Yeah, I can see. Yeah,
the best technologies become
why I'm seeing the
invisible.
ad? That's my own. Cool then. That's cool then, guys. Yeah, here we are. Cool, amazing, fantastic. So here we are gonna learn about the Firebase. So in this live we will discuss like Firebase, how we can connect Firebase with our MIT App Inventor, how we can send data from our Android phone to the Firebase, and how we can fetch the data from the Firebase to our own app. So these 3 points we are going to learn in this live today. So if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me here. That chat is open here with me. So if you have any doubt, so just ask me, or nothing, then just say me hi. That can make my day. Okay, so let me just check the audio. Yeah, audio is working fine. So here we go. So click on the new project, and my project name is Firebase app. Okay, that's good. So amazing. Here, let's go to the here, and yeah, here we are live now. See, this is our first screen. Okay, so in this screen I'm gonna just set up one simple app that can send the data to the Firebase. So first of all, I'm gonna just use here one layout, simple, or without layout I can do this. Let's click on drag and drop that button. I'm gonna just drag and drop one text box. That data I'm gonna send, and I'm gonna make this thing in a center like this. Okay, cool. Now once the people click on this button, so I'm gonna just send that data to the my Firebase. So send data, I'm gonna just like this. Okay, here, and you can do one more thing here. Oh, that's text box. I'm gonna just data like this, and you can make this with is like 80% something like this, and I'm gonna just make that screen. I'm gonna just default background color is pink. Cool that. So once the people click on this and data, so that data should be stored in the Firebase. So how we can do this? So in the left side you will find the extension, this one, and just experimental, and you see the Firebase TV. Just drag and drop this. Now what we need to do here, I need to create an account in the Firebase. Okay, so first of all, open the new tab and just type here firebase.com like this. Open this, and after login with your Google account, you will see here in the right top corner, go to the console option, click on this. Okay, now here I'm gonna do one thing, like we need to create a real-time database. Okay, so how we will do that? So let me just show you. So guys, if still have any question, any doubt, I'm here. Okay, so see, first of all, you can see here, you will see the project option. You need to create a project. Okay, I already have created a lot of projects. Sometimes they provide you only 50 or 40 apps. It's just their limitation. So you can email them like, I want to test more apps. So I just drop a mail to the Firebase team, and they increase my limit to creating a project. Okay, so let's click on the add project, and my project name is TCB database live like this. Okay, this is my project name. Let's click on continue. You can select the default account for Firebase, click on create project. Here we go. So it will take around maybe 30 seconds, 20 seconds, or maybe 10 seconds, or maybe less. Some before, like 1 year ago, it will take like around 1 minute or more, but now it's too fast. Okay, that's good, that's great. Yes, done. I think it's take around 5 to 7 minutes, 5 to 7, not minutes, seconds. Cool. Let's click on the continue. So here we in our dashboard of our project. Okay, in the left side you will find a lot of options like in the front screen like iOS, Android, web, Unity, Flutter, see a lot of things, but you don't need to do anything here. What you need to do here, you need to go to the all products. In the left side you will see all products, click on this, and now see the lot of options here, but we need to find the real-time database. Can you see? Yes, I can see real-time database, this one. Let's click on the real-time database here. Done. Now what we need to do here, this will take around 5 seconds to load. Okay, like this. Now see the create database. So let's click on the create database. Now we need to create a database in our this Firebase. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna do one thing like real-time database location. I'm gonna just select the US, it's fine, or you can select other center like Singapore. Let's try Singapore. Okay, or what is the Singapore distance, Delhi to Singapore distance? That's matter for the speed. 5,900. Okay, okay, and if we'll just select the US, then 12,000. So that will be better for me because I am in India now, so Singapore is best for me. Let's click on next. You will see here the start in locked mode or test mode. So I'm gonna just say here locked mode is enabled for now, but I'm gonna make it to the it's like true. So this is the make sure this is important thing, because we need to make sure that value should be true, otherwise your data will be once you click on the button, though no data will be here. Okay, like see, so I'm sorry, I'm just live. I'm gonna mute it here for now. I'm really sorry, I have just very urgent call. Sorry. Okay, so here we go. So what I'm gonna do here, let's go back and see the real-time database is here, and just it's loading, and let's wait some seconds. Oh, it's still loading, really? Let's refresh this now. Oh no, it's still, oh my god, it will take, why it's taking a lot of time? I don't understand that. Okay, so okay, it's done. I think it's supposed to be done, but it's done. Actually it's done. See all Firebase, no. Let's click on create database again. Oh, it's still like it's loading. So I'm gonna just refresh my screen here, and let's see it is still created or not. If not, then I'm gonna create again. It's fine. It's just sometime we all have bugs in our products, no matter if you're Google or the TCP or anything. Oh my god, it's taking a lot of time. Oh, that's done. Let's next enable. Yes, this thing taking time. Oh, it's done now. Cool, thanks. Now he can see in the rules. So go to the rules. First of all, this is important, rules. In this rule, we need to make that should be default security rule are locked from access. So we need to make it true. Okay, like this, like this. This is important. Okay, don't change anything here and just publish it. Just make it true. Done. Let's go to the data. Cancel. It's not saved till. Okay, it's saved. Let's go continue, and let's copy this URL. Okay, you can copy that. You can see this is the URL. Okay, this is your URL. This is your app URL. So we need to copy this. Let's try rule. It's still true. Yes, true. Let's go to the MIT App Inventor project. In the right side, you will see here the Firebase URL. It's default text. So I'm gonna just paste the code here like this. What I have pasted here, you can see this is what I have pasted here. I pasted this thing, this URL. Go to the data and you see this URL. Just copy from here, link, click on this, go here, just Control A, Control V like this. Just paste it. Got it? Done. Cool. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go to the block section. Once the people click on this button, okay, button 1, then we need to send the data. So you can see, click on Firebase, you will see the store value. See this one, just call it here, and you can see you need to fill two things, tag and value to store. So we know that which value we need to store. We need to store text box 1 dot text value like this. Whatever the we put in our text box, it means here that should be stored in our Firebase. But which tag? In which tag? Tag is something that there is a concept of key and value. Okay, so we should know what is the key for one value. Suppose I am TCB and I have a contact number. So if I have a contact number, so there should be some key, like Saurabh. I am the Saurabh. Saurabh is a key, is like I am the one who belong to this number. So there should be key and there should be number. That is important thing. Okay, because both things, like otherwise who will know that whose number is this? Okay, if we have a multiple numbers and there is no key for that number, there is no person for that number, so it doesn't make sense. So that's why we always have the key and value. So you can see the value to store is we have text box 1 dot text, but we need to define the tag for that value. So for that, text, and the tag I'm gonna just say here is like T1 is the tag. Okay, T1 is a tag and we are storing the T1 value in the T1 tag. Let's go to the design and let's try to send data. Okay, so how I'm gonna try emulator again here. If this will work, so it's fine. Otherwise I'm gonna use my Android phone. Where is my Android phone? Is here. Okay, so I'm gonna just wait for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, for this trial. Let's see this is enabled or not. That will be work because we are not using any extension or something, so emulator will definitely work today. Cool. Then there are a lot of people live here. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I'm I'm happy to help you guys. I'm here. I'm just here for helping you, right? So if you have any doubt, any question, anything, just ask me. Okay, I'm just reading. Here is my phone. Actually, I have Android phone here, and I'm just checking your chat. That's why my I'm just checking like this. Okay, so yeah, no one is asking why. Y'all all guys are really genius, man. Thanks. Good. I'm teaching very well means. Oh, thanks a lot. No one is asking. Cool. So let's wait 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and go. Oh, hooray. Yeah, we are here. Cool. See the data and we need to click on send data. But you can see this is the app. Here is a null value. There is nothing right now. Let's try to fill some data. Is like, what do we need to fill? So I'm gonna fill the coding bus. Okay, let's click on the send data and let's go to the Firebase, and you can see this is the Firebase app created, and see T1 that we just created that value tag, and that is the coding bus is the value. That's fantastic, right? If you wanna do again the value is like here, if I just put TCB2, so what will happen? That the value will replaced, or that will create another value. What do you think about that? Database security rule with honor only access. Okay, let's go to the MIT App Inventor, because once we creating the app like for the general purpose like chat or something, then we need to make it public something. Otherwise it's like oh, why I'm getting the ads between the live. I'm sorry for that. I will disable these ads, okay, from the live. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, and okay, let's go here and MIT App Inventor. Okay, and let's try. What do you think? Let's click on send to data and let's see here. See, the data is replaced by the coding bus replaced by the coding bus 2, because we have only one key. As you can see, T1, we have the only one key, so there is no value available without any key. That's why now I wanna just put the key and value both. Okay, how we can do this? So I'm gonna just copy and paste. So first one is like a key. I'm gonna just put the key here. Okay, or the person name, suppose person like this, or second one is like their mobile number or phone number. Okay, phone number like this, phone number like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go to the block section and I'm gonna just put the text box 1 is the like text box 1 dot text here. Just delete this text box 2 like this. Go here. Now let's put the person name is Saurabh and the phone number is 9876. Don't type my number, or don't use my number, sorry, don't call me on this number. Let's click on send data, and here we go, Firebase, and you can see the Saurabh and his number. Cool. Now you can add anything, like let's try to add any number, is like Ali. Okay, Ali Golding, and I know her number, so it's like her number is like 12879865452383. Send data and go here. You can see the Ali and their number. So you created that database, okay, using the Firebase with MIT App Inventor. That's fantastic. Now I need to fetch the data of Ali, or I need to fetch the number of Saurabh. How can I do this? So let's do this. Let's go to the MIT App Inventor here. Let's try to design. I'm gonna just use here another, like just copy paste that text box, but I'm gonna put this text box here in this another section, and I'm gonna put one button, but I'm gonna do one more thing here to let's click on that button and just copy paste this button and here, and that button name is like, you know, get data. Okay, get data like this, and where I'm gonna display that number, so I'm gonna display that number in that label. Okay, so it's just like a number. Okay, here's someone, Nima, can we upload photos the Firebase? Yes, Nima, we can upload, definitely, but for that we need to convert our images to the base 64. Once we convert our images to the text format, then we can store that images to the Firebase. Then whenever we want to fetch that image, whenever we want to display that image on our app from the Firebase, then you need to just decode that code, like you just need to decode that base 64 to the image, then you can display that image in MIT App Inventor. Cool. So let's go to the 20 is here, number, font bold, it's like good. So get data is like text box is 3. So like see here, now this is the for storing value, but I need to for the get value, click on the file database, and you will see here the get value. See this one, call it here. Which tag we need to get, like text box 1.text, no, this is the text box 3. Okay, that tag we needed, but if there is no value, then this will display null. But how we can fetch the value, where we need to display that value? So click on Firebase, you will see here after got value, this one component. Okay, so after got this component, we just need to check, is like you can check, or it's not necessary. So like I'm gonna just do one thing here, like use the control, okay, and use here if, okay, and if the logic is got it, and then if the tag is okay equal to the text box 1.text3, then label that should display the value of the tag like this. Let's try this. Okay, so we have a lot of things, say Ali T1 is also here, so I'm gonna just try Saurabh's number. Okay, let's try this will how this will work. Okay, so Saurabh, and let's try to fetch, see number, fantastic. See Sajeev Ranganathan K, hi Sajeev, how are you? I'm good, what about you? So let's go to the here, see that one we have fetched. Let's fetch the Ali's number. So Ali, let's click on get data. See, but if I just put the Ali 2 and let's click on get data, nothing, because there is no data. So I'm gonna do one thing here, like no person found, like this. Let's try again, Ali 2, no person found. Fantastic. So what we have learned today, that we can send the data from our MIT App Inventor app to the Firebase, and we can fetch the data also from the MIT App Inventor to the MIT App Inventor from the Firebase. Okay, so this is all about it. Okay, so in the next part we will learn about how we can create a chatbot app, how we can send the images. There are a lot of things to learn in Firebase. Okay, so this is all about it. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this live, joining this live. Have a great day, have a nice life, have a nice code. Bye bye. I'm just waiting for, just let's wait for 1-2 minutes if you have any doubt or any question, so I can answer you. Okay, so I'm just waiting here. Okay, any question, any question? Okay, this Saurabh, this is my fake ID. Okay, so here we go. I think there is no question, guys, so thank you so much for joining this live. Okay, yeah, cool then. So let's just stop streaming and bye bye. See you tomorrow. Oh, the question is like database security on a rule with on or on access. Same question. Database security rules with honor on access. Popo, what are you trying to ask me? I don't understand that point. Okay, I have received that that message, Papu, but I just want to know that what you're trying to ask me. Like here VTCB, and you can see here your security role defined as a public, so anyone can steal, modify, or delete data in your database. Okay, so we can do something for this. If possible, then we'll do that. So let's go to the rules, uses, extension. So do I need to false this, or what you're trying to say? I don't understand. Like if you have any doubt regarding this or something, so just ask me. Okay, base 64 is too long. Yeah, Nima, definitely base 64 is too long, but you don't need to worry about that. Why you are worrying about that? Because we just need to convert that text, and whatever the text is here, we can we can use it. App will hang. Oh, really? I'm not sure, but let's try it. Do you want me to try this base 64 extension for MIT App Inventor? There is any base 64? Yes, there is one base 64 extension. But there is another way for storing the image. Then you need to use another database for that. Because this is the easiest way to store images. Like, no, I need a AIX file. Okay, is that, oh, where I can find that AIX file then? I don't even know the, okay, this is the AI again. Where is the AIX file? Okay, let me just copy this. Let's try to upload the images. Here we are. Okay, let me just show you how you can upload the images. Okay, it's a long process, but let's try this now. Let me just try it. Okay, let's go to the design, let's go to the extension, let's go to the import extension, choose file, AIX, opening. Firebase bucket equal user UID, they only should access their own data. Okay, Firebase bucket equal user ID. Okay, if we will do that, then only or owner, it means me only can access this data. Okay, thanks, we'll do that. But how can I do that? I need to write it in the rule here, Papu, like Firebase bucket rule like this. I need to comma and then Firebase bucket. No, there is no something like that. Okay, so can you just write that code for me, or just send me something so I can use it, Papu? Okay, so just convert this here, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just use here one image. So whatever the image we upload here, whatever the image is here, So we need to upload image, so we need to use the image box also picker. So where is the image picker? Media, and image picker is here, and then that button will send image, okay, is here. Okay, and first I need to pick the image. So then, okay, then here is the issue, is no images. How can I okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I need to do it from my phone, it means. Okay, so but before this I'm gonna need to convert that image. So like this, I have image, button 3, delete. Okay, so what code I need to do? So suppose I've just picked the image picker. After picking the image, I need to set that image in the image one, set picture dot this one, and that is the image picker dot selection. Image picker dot selection is here, this one, call it here. Okay, and like this, and here we are. Now I need to, what I need to do here, okay, that I need to do. Mr. Oh, thanks Papu, thanks a lot. Let me just copy this rule. Okay, I'm gonna just try it. Okay, thanks Papu, thanks a lot. I'm gonna just take a screenshot of that code also, guys. You can also take this and just try this code that Papu is describing us, if it's working or not, and I hope that definitely that will work. Let me just take a screenshot, take a photo of that code. Yes, okay, cool then. Okay, here we are. Let me just take a screenshot. Yes, cool then. I'm gonna just apply this. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do here, I need to click on the button 3, then I need to convert that image. Now just picture is here we have, but we need to use here the base 64. I'm Sudarshan. Hi, I'm Sudarshan. How are you? I'm good. What about you? So just convert this. Okay, so base 64 images. Okay, so after canvas, base 64 to the string, no, canvas picture, create directory, delete download file. Where is that convert image to base 64? Okay, this one I need to call it. Okay, then okay, so after selecting this, after getting the picture, I'm gonna just convert that, and images like image this one, image 1. Okay, after converting this, after picture base 64. Okay, this one. So I need to get that data in some label or something, should I, or I can hide that data in the label. I can just display that data in the label, is like here, and I'm gonna just hide that label also. Like this is the label, is which label 2. Okay, so I go to the block, label 2 is like we have the label 2, and set that value and base 64 to the label like this. Okay, that will not showing you on the app, and once I click on this, so I need to store that value. So if I just say here, so store value, this one, call. Okay, and just say here, this is the image. You can also use the dynamic value for image, so I'm gonna just use the only one value, one image. So I'm gonna just img image, and this is the label 2 dot text, this one. So we are storing the base 64 value. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna use here the, I need to use here the companion, like AI companion. Where is my Android phone? Here I have. So let's try this. I'm gonna just use this. I'm gonna just show you that web view, right, webcast, so you can see my screen also. Okay, so I can see let me just open this also, Android casting. Here we are. Let's cast this, start casting, waiting for response. That will send the request. Here, allow, stay this page until connecting process finished. Okay, let's connect. Let's wait. 1 2 3 10. Okay, start. I'm just using my number 10 9 8 4 5 6 7 4. Okay, here we are. This is okay. Let's try to pick image. Oh, I need to pick image from my own phone. So sorry, I can't show you my phone. Let me just see the all images. So what images I can show you? Okay, I can show you my images. There is nothing. Here's a casting. Let's try this image. Yes, done. Yeah, fantastic, right? Let's click on. You can see there is no tag for the images. I think data. Let's go here. Yes. Okay. Let's click on send image. Image. Oh, this is for text for label, but it's not converted. It means okay. Let's go here. So image to base64, and that is the image. After converting, okay, then that will be saved as say label 2. Okay, and I'm sending value to store label to the text. Okay, so why it's not okay, this store, what that is stored is like is stored the text box for label 2. Why? The reason is, I think, let's try one thing is I'm gonna just, I need to wait something, right? Right? So let's visual off label 2, make it visual on, and let's try to pick the image that should be convert. Okay, that's not converted. Okay, so let's go here. We need to call it here, I think, and I'm gonna use here another button to like send. I just want to check that let's first convert. Okay, convert like this, and this is the button 3. Yes, button 3 is converting the image. Yes. Okay, after picture base, when after picture base 64, then set label 2. Okay, what I have done this, I have done something wrong, or I don't know. Let's try this. Let's picture, and we have one image, and let's convert. No, it's not converted, so I have done something wrong, I think. Let's try it base 64. After now base 64 base images, base to base 64 to image. Okay, base 64 to image. I need to find image to base 64, image to base 64, this one image. Okay, that I have done. Okay, now I need to do one thing, like how can I get that value? So it's string to base 64 image that we have converted just, but after converting, after canvas, after image base 64, after picture. Oh, there is difference after picture or after image. We have used the after picture. Let's try after image. After image converted base 64, so I need to display the data again. Let's try. Okay, I'm gonna just try it. Okay, let's image here. I'm gonna just use this image, convert. Okay, it's converting now. Okay, it's a large data, so that's why we need to hide this. Okay, but we need to wait some seconds also after converting. Once we have converted this, okay, like see photos, go here, like here, sorry, here. Let's select the image, let's convert, and let's wait some seconds. Okay, and then I'm gonna just send that. Here you can see image text box. Let's send image. Oh yes, fantastic, we have just stored that images in our database. Fantastic. Okay, cool then. So yeah, I'm gonna just check that there is any question for that. I'm here live. Okay, a lot of people are watching this. Okay, so yeah, done. I think tomorrow we will learn, our next tutorial we will learn that how we can fetch that image. For okay, so for fetching the image is simple, is that you need to just get that image tag and convert that base 64 to the image. Simple. So thank you so much for joining this live